Good morning, TikTok. Happy Sunday.
Positions, including the Chief of Staff of the Army, the Commandant of the Marine Corps, the Chief of Naval
On a
Operations, the
normal
Chair of the
day,
Joint Chiefs role.
and I'm not in a good place right now, but on a normal day, when I see shit like this from one of Donald Trump's cult members, I ignore their asses and I block them. But when you decide you want to call me out my name and you don't fucking know me because I posted a video of an insurrectionist who thought that her white privilege was going to keep her ass out of prison, and she ended up being indicted and had to serve time from a video I made, way back after the insurrection. Y'all should know who I'm talking about. You know, she had her own private plane and all that. And normally, I would go off on these maggots because at this point, they're gullible, insecure, low self esteem, and I've come to the conclusion that they're not worth it. But I want to say to you, maggot, I understand the anger that you have for the American people that don't, like your dipshit cult leader. I understand that you're angry that we fired his ass in 2020, and ever since then, he tried to overturn the election, cause an insurrection, seize voting machines, uh, you know, kill his vice president, all of that. And all that shit backfired. And now y'all mad because he's being held accountable for his actions. And everyone around the country is saluting that dipshit. That's why you make comments like that. You make comments like this because you know deep down inside that video that you commented on with this particular comment, you know it was the truth. I understand why y'all so angry at this point and have so much hatred because Donald Trump strokes your ego and y'all stroke his. So what I want you to do with this comment is shove it up your ass and have the fucking day you deserve, maggot.